Hello, I'm Eliška Svobodová, a customer success manager at Keboola, and I will be your host in this customer spotlight. Customer spotlights are case studies, examples, and interviews with our successful clients to show you a new stuff done on Keboola to the whole community. This time I'm interviewing Matt from Harri. Hello, Matt. I'm really pleased that I can introduce you to Matt Lukowski, VP Product of Advanced Analytics and AI at Harri.
Thank you very much for having me, Eliška. I'm really glad to be here. So Harri is the global leader in the frontline employee experience. Harri Suite consists the talent acquisition, workforce management, employee engagement, and compliance technologies that enable the organizations to intelligently attract, manage, and engage and retain the best talent to run and improve their businesses. Harri operates globally. Our main customers are in the United States and in the UK. Harri serves around 20,000 restaurants and hotels around the world, and about 4 million hospitality employees use that platform every single day. We've got an emerging growth in retail and in healthcare.
Matt, what actually is your role and what you do at Harri?
So I head up the advanced analytics and the AI department, and I'm responsible for anything from the product perspective in regards to the analytics, reporting, and the AI products. My team has recently built and shipped one of the best hospitality analytics platform in the hospitality sector called Harri AQ that completely reimagines how the businesses look and explore and share the business data. We also have been building the employee satisfaction platform that uses the AI to predict the churn and also to find the best talent using machine learning and AI technologies in regards to matching the best employees and best candidates with the best jobs, which we on our platform has got to offer.
Could you please explain in bigger detail what Harri data products you build on top of Keboola and Snowflake for those who are not familiar with hospitality industry?
Keboola is the complete data platform as the service. It helped us to clean up, unify, and orchestrate many of the data operations from one place. Keboola helped us to build the business data model that is behind our analytics platform. And also we use Keboola for our core reporting, demand forecasting that helps to predict the volume of sales, transactions, and items to optimize the staffing levels in our customers' locations.
And what initially triggered your search for something like an activity center? What team or organization-wide challenges were you trying to solve?
So visibility of the credit consumption and monitoring of the main processes was the main reason why we started discussions with Jordan, who has built the platform regarding the activity center. The biggest challenge that we faced was the growing number of the Snowflake credits, which we've used and consumed to manage all those data processes which are happening within our platform. We visualized the data in hotspots, and we pretty much gave the access to many teams who now monitor the data consumptions and the errors pretty much every single day.
What does the solution, the activity center, actually look like? How, how often, and by whom it is used?
So I said the activity center is pretty much used every single day by many members of our teams. So we used it in business, we used it in product, we used it in technology. Every time, pretty much when we changed any sort of processes or maybe we add the new data source, we monitor the credit consumption, we optimize the processes, we search for the errors, and we pretty much got the visibility and all of that immediately in Activity Center.
So to summarize, what has been your biggest win after implementing the activity center? What was the impact on the business?
So, as I said, it helped us to optimize the credit consumptions, the Snowflake credit consumptions, and pretty much we are very happy to say that around 30% of credits a month has been saved because of this ability of visibility of those credit consumptions within the activity center.
And final question for me, Matt, in your eyes, what is the biggest benefit of the activity center for you?
So I think that except for the fact that it helps to save the credits and see the processes which are happening within Keboola, I think that the main benefit is also that it can be very easily deployed, and we pretty much deploy that in hours. And it works with different platforms as well on the visualization layer. So we use Hotspot within Harri. So we've plugged that into Hotspot and pretty much open the visibility of the credit consumptions and errors to many of the teams pretty much immediately. We're very happy to use Activity Center. So thank you, Keboola, and thank you, Jordan, for building this platform.
Matt, thank you very much for spending time with us. Thank you very much for inspiring us, and good luck. But we are not done yet. Let's use the opportunity that Jordan Berger, my colleague, also joined us. Jordan is a member of Keboola Professional Services team, and he is one of the authors of the Activity Center.
Today, we're talking about the Activity Center, which is meant to be specifically an enterprise add-on, and it gives you a full 360 view of everything going on in Keboola. There are only two components that make up the Activity Center. They're both available to anybody in Keboola, and those two components are the telemetry extractor, and then there's the metadata extractor, which provides a lot of complementary information to everything going on inside of telemetry. So we've created a data model, which is a part of the Activity Center, quote unquote, and also along with the data model, the Activity Center includes the visualization and reporting. So it's, beyond Keboola, it's basically the exact data model, and then also the reports. We have pre-built reports in Looker right now. Those were the first that were ever created. And now we've also Power BI was one that was created a long time ago. And now we have ThoughtSpot included as well, which is kind of our newer, visualization partner. So we have those three main reporting dashboards. There are three main areas in the Activity Center that actually give you information. One is costs. So how much does everything cost? And that includes, the credits you're paying to Keboola, and then also broken down into whatever you're paying or whatever amount of that actually goes to the data warehouse. Then we have health, and health is really about how many of your configurations have descriptions, right? How many flows have error notifications, things like that. And that's going to tell you the general health metric of basically every flow, every configuration, down to every table, right? We can go in and say how many columns have a description, and that can be a part of our health metric. And then security. Security has to do mainly with tokens. So every time somebody runs a job, there is an API token that is associated with that person and their email address, and security will relate those things, as well as who has MFA enabled and some of those other things going on as well. So those are the three main areas that the Activity Center focuses on and gives the customers information about. And based on all of that, we are able to answer a lot of questions that our customers are keen on answering, like the ones you see here, right? What project consumes the most credits? Is there something erroring out really often? And all of these other things.
So again, Matt, Jordan, thank you very much. And I really hope that we will see more implementation of Activity Center that is helping to drive business results. Bye-bye.